Good morning, everyone. This is Murphy Bread Truck, aka James Murphy. Well, it's the morning of the truck show here. A lot of people don't already know it was a whole line right here of people this morning. Oh, it's good. But we're headed over here now to where the food tent is supposed to be at. So we're gonna head over here, see about what kind of food they might have over here. So head over here, folks. Folks, it looks like they got quite a bit of things: pancakes, scrambled eggs, bacon, ham. Let's go over here and folks see. Real nice setup, folks. I mean, it's real nice. Go get Brit. You know, we'll come back over here, get some to eat. But just want to check to see, you know, if they were full or not. They had it ready. They said it should be ready around 8. So, I think Brit will come back over here in a minute. She's actually getting dressed, getting ready. So, well, I'm hard to get ready and should be ready to go. Go eat and then head on over to the Expo Center and go from there. There's not really much going on right here this morning, folks. Kind of quiet, kind of chilly too. So grab me a jacket, but we're gonna be inside of a building all day, so I mean it doesn't really matter, you know, about the jacket deal. But we're gonna be inside. But I should have washed my truck, folks. I know my truck, it's all dirty, but I should have, you know, washed it and everything. But yeah, we're actually getting ready to go eat. Probably gonna give me a pancake, scrambled eggs, stuff like that, and then you know, eat that, use the bathroom and stuff, and then head over there. We're gonna do a video like getting on the shuttle bus. Might even do a quick video of us eating our food. So anyway, it's Murphy Bread Truck, and we're over and out, and we're gonna go eat, and then we'll do a video on the shuttle bus going over there. All right, peace out.